For a simple method of painting a red cloak, you want to get started with your base coat of a dark red. I went for Vallejo's model colours whole red for this, as it's a very browny red colour. Next up is your Midtone red. This is to cover the majority of the cloak again, just leaving that dark red in the recesses. To finish up, you want a lighter red than your mid-tone, but you don't want a massive difference between them. With that in mind, I use scarlet red, which on its own is a dark red, but with this burnt red behind it, it still comes out quite light. For more videos like this and more in-depth painting videos, check out my YouTube channel.